to MarineMax Maryland. We're here today on a 2025 Saxdor 400 GTO. This baby is a new arrival and she is a dream to drive on the bay here in Chesapeake or wherever you may want to take the boat to your home docks and rivers and streams. Powered by twin V10 400 force Mercury Verados. This boat flies. This is a great power plant for the boat. They're quiet, they're efficient. V10, just super motors. You will not be disappointed with these. They really do a great job on the boat. So as we walk through the boat here, a really nice glass wall here kind of separates you from the motor area from your lounging area. And I want to point out throughout this boat how safe it is for small children and pets, because you close these doors here and no pet or small child is going to get through that. So very safe boat. You got an aft lounger back here, and this lounger is pretty neat because it has a kind of a multi-mode here. So right now it's set kind of regular seating area, seating here in your salon area, but this will go ahead and roll aft, and then these cushions here, this will lay down like this. And now you've got more of a bed lounger here, or you can flip these cushions out. And you got even flatter bed. Really, really nice setup here. So multiple different angles that you can do here for your lounging. Also want to point out back here is a secret entrance to your aft cabin. And what's really cool about that is that when you go in there, you'll see there's two ways to get into the aft cabin, and we'll show you one of the two ways here, which is back aft. So you've got this storage area. You just give a little turn here, lift this guy up, and there's your aft storage area. This is an optional bedding aft cabin. You can have an optional cabin back here as well. Right now, this is designated the toy storage area option on the boat. But that's one way to get in there. I'll show you the other way once we go up forward here. This boat is optioned with the isinglass enclosure on the aft wall and on the port and the starboard sides. Optionally, you can have a hard glass wall back here with a glass bifold, and the hard glass wall electrically will open. So this boat's got the isinglass. You can option her up if you want, if you're on a different platform. Coming over here into the cockpit, so we already talked about this lounge seating here. I'll show you how to get into that cabin the other way as well. So you got that hatch that went through there. Otherwise, we can flip this over here. I give this little seat here a lift up here. And then I'm gonna reach down over here, I'm gonna push this little button here, and there's a button inside the cabin as well. And this deck pops up, and that's your separate entrance down there. So just kind of a neat little way to get down to the cabin as well. Again, this one is designated as toy storage, but you can get that option with a bunk included with the air conditioning and the courtesy lighting and everything down below there. In the cockpit, great entertaining area here. Wonderful seats. You'll see that right now, because we're tied up port side too, we can't drop our port side, but we did drop the starboard beach mode here. So just a spectacular landing zone here, just wide open. Now, notwithstanding the fact that I was saying that it's great for kids and pets, if you have kids and pets on board, don't drop the side. However, if you got adults on board, look at this. This is great. This is about 12, 14 feet long, just a gigantor beach mode as she drops down. See-through here, so it's kind of neat. You can at night, the underwater lights, you can kind of see the water through there and everything, but it's pretty neat. It's really cool. The isinglass that fits here, it slides along here and it stores in this pillar actually behind this little door here. So it's a kind of a neat way so you're not wrestling with that isinglass all the time, but it's a neat little storage in there. A little extra beach mode here. This guy drops down as well. So when you got your beach mode here, same thing on the other side, but You can just lay out, bloop, roll over the side, you get too hot, land right in the water. Okay. I'm gonna show you the galley over here. What boat needs a galley? You know, well, this one does, because when you're out, you want to go ahead and do your charcuterie and all your other good things here. So underneath here, you got your Kenyan 2-burner stove. Of course, your sink here. You got a refrigerator, and then some drawers and storage. You got an optional fridge over here as well. That's an option that we did put up on this boat. Cup holders galore, which is really nice throughout the boat. So you always have a place to store your beverages. Overhead, gigantic electric sunroof, and you see that in the photos, but really, really nice. So this boat can be wide open. You got your open, you stow your isinglass all around, open your sunroof, and just a beautiful summer day on the water with this boat. Here we are on the command center, or the helm, of this Saxdor 400 GTO, and this is the place to be. So you got your binnacle here. This is controlling your twin, as I mentioned, V10 400s, lots of ponies back there hanging on the back of this boat. You got your little remote control here for your Simrad display as well. But your binnacle, you have your JPO, or joystick piloting for outboards right here, and your stereo control, volume and switching with that, so it's pretty nice. Up on the dash, you got 2 large Simrad screens. All of your information can show up there, but what's really neat here is your Saxdor information. And this boat does not have a fossil-fueled generator on board to power your grill and your air conditioning. It has a lithium-ion system, and this is where you monitor the charge of your house batteries, your lithium system, how much you draw, and then the charging amperage and everything. It's a really, really neat system. But you have 3 screens to play with. You got a smaller Simrad down here, and then you've got your larger Simrads up there. Mix and match, however you want to put your information up there. You're just good to go. But tilt wheel, inductive charging, a integrated Sleipner variable speed bow thruster. It's just a super platform. And when you're sitting here on the seat, these seats do roll fore and aft. Of course, you've got your bolster. And then for your footrest down here, it's an adjustable angled footrest as well. But super view out the window. You got a giant slab of glass, 2 windshield wipers, lots of protection here if you're gonna run through some chop, be taking some spray, but just a super wonderful boat. But let's talk more about lounging. Let's head up to the bow. So up here on the bow, we got another great lounging area on the boat. So you got a leaf table here. So you just pull this out, flip it over, same as the leaf table in your salon area. Got your U-shaped seating, cup holders galore, and then up forward here, you've got your anchor locker, and check out the photos on that. This is the catapult anchor windlass, which is pretty remarkable for the reverse angle bow on these Saxdors. But good chunky stainless cleats, great handholds here, very safe up here, and a great kind of secondary lounging area. So you've got your aft lounge, you got your cockpit, and now even a tertiary up here on the bow. But just a really, really comfortable place, and it's a real smooth riding boat, so you can definitely be comfortable in any of these locations throughout the boat. Okay, so enough of this Tom-size stuff. Let's go ahead and go down in the cabin, check out the luxurious accommodations down below. This is air-conditioned and heated, reverse cycle heated cabin. So got a huge bunk down here, really nice. You got ventilation hatch there, it goes up through the seating area. So you can, that's escape and also just ventilation and lighting. You remove that cushion up there. You'll have that give an additional light down here. But look at all these skylights down here. This light down here, just really, really nice. Over here, I mean, just very wonderful, bright cabin. Over here, you got your main panels for your boat business. And that's off the port in the cabin here. Of course, your main stereo control, your AC control for down below. Got a nice little storage locker over here. And it's a hanging locker. Got a little courtesy lights as well. What's kind of neat, They go red or white, which is kind of a neat little touch. Notice the ambiance there from the LED strip lighting as well. Down here, this is another option. So the stair is standard, and it's a collapsible stair. Just grab this and just lift it up here, and she will lock right up. And now this is a storage area down here, but optionally, this can be a single athwartships bunk area as well. So it's kind of neat little option. Let me show you the head, the full head with shower. So here we go with the head and shower. Really, really nicely accommodations in here. Again, kind of nice little touches. The electric toilet, all your flush controls, nice trim, kind of really, really nice setup in there. Really, so this is the Saxdor 400 GTO, and quite the boat. Thanks for coming out and touring the boat with me. And I look forward to you coming down to MarineMax Maryland for a nice look.